Hello, from Speaking Academy. The name of this story is Anna's Morning. This story will improve your A1 English vocabulary skills. Enjoy listening. First of all, let's focus on the most important English words in this story at A1 level. These words will help you understand the story and make learning easier. Here are the target vocabulary words in this story. Wake up, bed, bathroom, eat and drink, milk, cat and dog, school, friend, right, and good night. Anna's morning. Anna wakes up in the morning. She opens her eyes and sees the sun shining through the window. She gets out of bed and walks to the bathroom. She washes her face, brushes her teeth, and combs her hair. Anna goes to the kitchen. Her mother cooks bread and eggs. Anna drinks milk and eats fruit. She sees her cat on the chair and her dog near the door. Anna pets them and smiles. After breakfast, Anna takes her bag and puts on her coat. She opens the door and walks on the street. The bus comes and she climbs inside. She sits next to her friend who waved and says hello. At school, Anna listens to the teacher. She writes in her book with a pencil and pen. She learns numbers, colors, and shapes. The children laugh and play during break. After school, Anna walks home, sees the tree near the park, and watches the bird fly in the sky. She opens the window, drinks water, and eats a small snack. In the evening, Anna reads a story, listens to music, and talks with her family. She says good night and goes to bed. Great job! You finished the story. These words will help you in daily English. Keep practicing every day. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more stories. See you in the next story.